volunteers with really big voices? Who's got a really big voice? Good, good. Now, this is called audience sound effects. So you two ladies are going to be providing sound effects for 2 actors and a sweaty man up here on stage.
I would like to hear the sound of an angry, angry dog.
Yes, it was.
All right, good. Looking for ice cream at the gym. Excellent. Are you ladies ready?
Dude, I think I went way too long in the trippy.
All right, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Deep breaths, deep
My
breaths.
heart is pounding.
Oh,
Very breathy, my
all right, all right. Let me get you a bottle of water. I'll unopen that. Got blocks on there. There you go.
You never keep that water too safe.
Take a little sip. That's good. That's good. You don't want to strain yourself. Okay.
Ate the whole bottle.
Look, you're gonna have to get on this treadmill. It's a better treadmill than the one they have over there.
Okay. Let me program. Oh, that was the mouse.
Now program it out.
Let me program. I gotta put in my weight first. Thought I was losing. All right. How about my desired speed? I can keep up with that. All right. And start. All right, much better. Okay. There we go. All right.
Good. You're doing good. You're doing good. That's
Some
good.
reason here.
Alright.
I'm gonna try to get up to a job.
Good. All right. You're bionic.
Yeah. How long do you think I carry all this weight?
Wow. Go faster.
All right, let's go fast. I can push the stop button.
Let's stick to some of the dumbbells over here.
All right. What are you calling me? Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna pick these 2 up. I'm gonna
Sorry,
hand them to you.
that's what my wife calls me. All right, here you go. Yeah, maybe you should watch out, wear a weight belt or something. Maybe I should just start with the plain old bar by itself. I'm going to use the bar by itself. No weight. All right, here we go. Oh. Yeah, I have hernia.
You got it.
There you go. Oh, not so bad.
Oh, no, that's fine.
All right, here, you try that.
Oh, all right.
Wow, that's a hell of a lunch, man.
Wow, that is heavy.
You know what I really could go for? It's hot as hell in here. I need an ice cream.
Oh, an ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just dump this.
We'll fix the floor later. All right.
Yeah, there's an ice cream stand right here.
Oh, cool.
I'll take a cone, please. He's working there.
Yes, you're the flavor.
Oh, Flavor Flav's behind the.
We'll take a vanilla and 1 chocolate.
Why? I always have to have the vanilla.
You get the chocolate.
Okay.
1 vanilla, 1 chocolate.
Oh, we should show him who's boss, huh?